Some people work hard and make millions. Others think really weird. Today we're diving into the 25 strangest business ideas that made ordinary people millionaires. From snow shipped across the country to cats drinking wine. These stories prove one thing. Sometimes the weirder the idea, the bigger the payoff. Text overlay. 25 Weirdest Business Ideas That Made Millionaires. In 2015, Boston was hit by a snowstorm. While some residents were complaining about shoveling, Kyle Waring had a wild idea. Why not sell the snow? He launched ShipSnowYo.com, shipping snow in thermal insulated boxes to people in warm states. At first it was just a joke, but customers loved it. Kids could play in real snow, and adults could relive a winter wonderland experience. For $89 a box, Kyle turned a nuisance into a business, literally making money out of thin air. Fun fact overlay. Snow has never been more expensive. Brandon Zavala wanted to share a drink with his cat, but real wine? Dangerous. So he invented Apollo Peak, a wine made from beet juice and catnip. Pet owners went wild. By the end of the first year, Brandon had made $500,000, proving that sometimes the pet industry is weirder than you think. Lesson. Think about niche markets. Sometimes your weird hobby is someone else's dream product. In 2005, British student Alex Tew needed cash for college. His idea? Sell 1 million pixels on a web page for $1 each. Buyers could put logos or links on them. At first, only friends were interested, until the BBC wrote about it. Soon, businesses lined up. Within weeks, Alex became a millionaire. 1,000,000 tiny squares, $1 million idea. Fun fact overlay. 1 pixel, 1 fires $1 million total. In 1997, Ronnie Dulo noticed her dog, Midnight, squinting in the sun while playing frisbee. She designed sunglasses for dogs, creating Midnight Creations, earning $3 million a year. The moral? Solve a problem, even if it's for a furry friend, and people will pay for it. Mike Miller was a lazy kid. He wanted to cut food without a knife. He modified a fork to do both jobs. With $10,000 borrowed from his grandpa, he launched Nork. 6 years later, $2 million a year was coming in. Sometimes the simplest problems are the most profitable. Lesson. Solve a personal problem. Chances are, others have the same problem. David Marks's golf course was invaded by Canadian geese. Firecrackers and flags failed, but one idea worked. Dogs. David trained them to chase geese. Soon he had 38 dogs patrolling 11 golf courses, earning $2.8 million a year. Fun fact overlay. Sometimes the best employees have 4 legs. Gary Kell hated taking his arms out of blankets to grab the remote. He added sleeves and created the slanket. A QVC commercial went viral, selling 17,000 blankets in 11 minutes. Soon, he was selling millions per month. Lesson. Solve a simple inconvenience. People will pay for comfort. Middle school teacher Stuart Anders used a self-rolling tape measure as inspiration. He created slap bracelets, earning around $8 million in 1990. Fun fact overlay. One of the most iconic 90s toys, and it all started from a tape measure. MIT student Gauri Nanda hated snoozing. She invented Clocky, an alarm clock on wheels that runs away when it rings. Suddenly, sleeping in became impossible, and she made $10 million. Designer Paul Brown solved a simple problem: getting ketchup out of bottles. Upside-down bottles became a hit with Heinz, earning him $14 million. Advertiser Gary Dahl created Pet Rocks in 1975. Sold for $4 each, they made $15 million in 6 months. Sometimes, people just love a funny idea. Sherry Schmelzer decorated her daughter's Crocs, started Jibbitz, and sold it for $20 million. Proof: even accessories can turn into gold. Farmer Mike Ersick hated wasting ugly carrots. He made baby carrots, sold them at higher prices, and revolutionized the vegetable market. Joseph Friedman invented bendy straws for his niece. Hospitals adopted them, and he earned $1 million. 11-year-old Frank Epperson accidentally froze lemonade overnight. Decades later, he sold popsicles worldwide. Bobby and Judy Edwards created Squatty Potty to fix toilet posture. Viral marketing turned it into a $200 million business. Michael Dubin launched Dollar Shave Club. Razors delivered monthly for $1. By 2015, revenue was $152 million, sold for $1 billion. Franklin Loufrani turned the smiley face into a $500 million licensing empire. Arthur Fisher's plastic wall plugs revolutionized construction, generating $700 million over decades. Sarah Blakely invented Spanx from a pantyhose hack. Oprah endorsed it, sales skyrocketed, and today her net worth exceeds $1.2 billion. From snow in a box to wine for cats, these stories show that strange ideas can create massive fortunes. Some solved problems, some made life more fun, and some were just hilarious. But one thing is clear: creativity, courage, and a little weirdness can change your life. Which idea is your favorite? The craziest? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories of weird ideas that made millions.